Hello class, today I am going to teach about the subject Commercial Maths class 11 chapter 2nd and its part 5. The chapter name is Proportional Part and Partnership, and we will discuss about the another question of exercise 2a. The question number is 8 and question is distribute rupees 100 between Ram, Mohan and Sohan so that Mohan get 1.5 times of Ram and Sohan get 2 upon third, 2/3 of the sum of the part of Ram and Mohan. Then the lowest amount get Ram. So let's the value and amount or amount of Ram rupees X. Mohan get 1/1.5 of Ram is X, and this is a mixed fraction converted into simple 3/2, that is a 3x upon 2. And Sohan get 2/3 of the sum of the part of the Ram and Mohan. So 2/3 of Ram plus Mohan. Ram is X and Mohan is 3x upon 2, and the sum of this, that is a 2 upon 3. Then we add this, that is a 5x upon 2 of that, it is a multiply, and 2 upon 3, so 2 will be cut, 5x upon 3. This is amount of Sohan, and we know that we write in ratio form: Ram ratio Mohan ratio Sohan. Ram value is X, Sohan is a 3x upon 2, Mohan is a 3x upon 2 and Sohan is a 5x upon 3. We solve in the sum of the proportional, that is a 6x x. We write it in this form: x plus 3x plus 5x upon, we take LCM 2 and 3, that is a 6, and we write in, we solve this part. The answer will be 5x upon 6. That is a sum of proportional ratios of Ram, Mohan and Sohan. Total amount, that will be divisible. The amount is rupees 100. This amount is also given in the question, that is 100. So Ram value is X, and the sum of proportion 5x upon 6, and amount divisible, that is 100. We solve it: x into 6, 25 into x into 100. 25 4 times x this, and 4 6 are 24. So Ram get 24 rupees. Similarly, Mohan amount is 3x upon 2, and sum of the proportion is 25 upon 6, and amount divisible, and we can write this in this form: x will be cut 4 times 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 9 4s are 4 9s are 36. Mohan get rupees 36. Then Sohan get, the Sohan amount is, Sohan part is 25 upon 3, and sum of the 25x upon 6, and total is, divisible amount is 100. 5x upon 3 and 6 upon 25x into 100. x 4 times 3 2s are, then the answer 5 2s are 10, and 10 4s are 40. Sohan get 40 rupees. The answer is Ram get rupees 24, Mohan get rupees 36, and Sohan get rupees 40. That is the answer of this question. If you have any doubt in any part of questions, in any confusion, you can ask me question. Thank you.